Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type Services. Open the Services app. Scroll down until you find Microsoft Store Install Service. Double-click the service to open its properties. Make sure the startup type is set to Automatic. Next, click Stop and wait a few seconds for the service to stop. Click Apply, then click OK. Now open the Microsoft Store Install Service again. This time, click Start to restart the service. Then click OK and close the Services window. Solution 2. Open the Start menu and search for Settings. Open the Settings app. Select Apps from the left-hand menu. Then click Installed Apps. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select System Components. Locate Microsoft Store. Click the three-dot menu next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section. First, click Repair and wait for the process to finish. If the error still appears, click Reset. Then click Reset again to confirm. Once the reset is complete, close the Settings window. Solution 3. Reset the Microsoft Store cache, open the Start menu and search for Run. Open the Run dialog, type wsreset.exe, then press Enter. Windows will clear the Microsoft Store cache and automatically reopen the Microsoft Store. Once it opens, search for the application you were trying to install and try downloading it again. The error should now be resolved. That's all there is to it.